Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 9, topic SES and SW circles. Exercise number 33, 34 and 35. Let's start with exercise number 33. Be ready. Start. The heavy losses which the firm has to absorb this year are almost enough to exhaust its resources. The firm has had a series of poor years. Do you know the causes of these successive losses? The firm itself gives several reasons. Among them are the steady rise in costs and higher taxes. What is the basis for your appeal to have your state taxes reduced? I am sorry to lose your services, but as I have already said, you have my best wishes for your success. I shall always be happy to receive news of your doings. Our pipes are nicely boxed, and we know it will pay you to put some of them in your showcases or in your windows. We have to make a small charge for the boxes, but the pipes sell much faster when you show them in the boxes. The Times successfully appeals each year for money for needy cases, and it raises a large sum for the purposes of charity. Aid is as necessary this year as in the past. I think the charges for these posters are excessive, and I wish to satisfy myself of the necessity for the high fees paid to the artists. If you insist, we shall pay the fees ourselves, but the artists themselves think the charges are low for this type of job. Next is exercise number 34. Be ready. Start. Are you enjoying your study of this subject? I hope you are. When you can write these exercises fast. You will be on your way to making your living in a business office. Besides its value to you, I hope you like the subject for itself. As you know, this subject is widely used in business offices, but it has many uses besides this. You can use it for many different purposes. Can you name some of them? The success of many a famous head of a large business firm is due to his study of this subject. It was the first step in his business career. Write the signs as fast as you can. Always read back what you write. Each time you write an exercise, you should write it faster and read it back faster. Write the forms just as they appear in this book. In time, you may, if you wish, write these same forms as fast as you can speak. Next is exercise number 35. Be ready. Start. May we have as soon as possible the cases of swan soap which you are making up specially for us. We wish to have this soap as soon as you can get it to us, as we are having a sale on the 1st of the month. This is an item which we wish to emphasize, as we know it will sell readily. The swan is supposed to sing a sweet song when it is dying. This is said to be the sweetest song it sings, and this is the story which has given us the famous swan song. New York is the largest city in the United States of America. If you go to the top of any of the high towers of this city, you will have a view which takes in all the city as well as the suburbs for many miles beyond. The monster ships which come to this city dot the bay. They unload huge cargoes on the docks and take away with them similar loads when they leave. In this city, the business life of the United States reaches its high peak. As we are going to the docks, we can look at the new vessel. This is the swiftest as well as the largest of the steamers. We may switch some of our business to the new firm as they will give us value as well as service. As we have seen in the past, a heavy pole usually sweeps many new officers into the different state offices. So these are the three exercises of chapter number 9, SES and SW circles, and this is the note in the 34 exercise. Phrases are indicated by hyphens. जिन शब्दों के बीच में हाइफन्स डले हुए हैं वो क्या हैं? फ्रेजेस हैं. ठीक है. शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स आर इंडिकेटेड बाय इटैलिक टाइप, और जो इटैलिक टाइप में लिखे गए हैं, टाइप किए गए हैं, वो क्या हैं? शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं. ठीक है. तो आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.